This is our serving set. We make 3 different spoons specifically for serving, and you can get them in a set and be ready for any task, any serving task. First, we've got our medium plastic ladle here. It's the longest, it has the biggest, deepest bowl. Then we've got the long server, which is almost as long, but the bowl is a little bit shallower. And then we've got the short server, which has this big fat handle and a nice deep bowl as well. Not quite as deep as the ladle, but close. They each excel at something a little bit different. The ladle is obviously great for soups and chilies, anything that you're going to be pulling out of a big pot. The long server is not quite as deep, so it's better for things that are thicker, like a pasta salad or bean salad, something like that, perfect there. And then the short server is kind of like the rice specialist, I like to think. We cook rice in a rice pot at our house, and you can open the lid, get yourself some rice, put this guy right back in there and close the lid on it. It's short enough to live inside the rice pot. So, if you're looking to cover any serving task and make sure you've got the right tool at all times, check out our server set.